Statement to process around of emotions. Somebody has had some information out there and a statement is brought. When the committee goes down to investigate, you can now see the kind of explanations we are being given. How best then can the public be seized of such kind of information so that the general public is not taken advantage of, even in situations where we know there are issues? But in situations where we do not have such issues, because there are governors who've been crucified over money going back, and the public is not aware of such explanations, how then do we handle, or how do we communicate? Because that is a serious eye-opener.
I think we internally pick up
as it were, is for political experience. People want to fit anything. Even this money going back at the end of the financial year, it's gone back, so as not utilize it. Therefore, it's a smear campaign around. Chair, it's something, and I want to ask Senator Okenyuri, you just mentioned about IFNIS. Especially this month, IFNIS system, internet will start going down. I don't know if it's program, there's such a man. Yeah, by June, you can't do anything. But we pray God that one day things will start working. Yes. Chair, thank you.
Thank you, and I want to take the first this opportunity to welcome you to Kisi. As you can see, Kisi is very peaceful, ready to serve the people of Kisi. Again, as you rightly indicated, this is not the first time we're dealing over these matters. Therefore, looking forward to definitely close on these issues, because we have tried to allow me, Mr. Chairman, to go back to the statements which was asked, and then now that the Senate sitting in Kisi is as well as the Senate chambers in Chair, question number one, and I want to say that we acknowledge we received your invitation under the reference number Senate of 2024-041, dated 27 May 2025, requesting for clarification on the questions that the Chair which are under here. A comprehensive report on status of pending bills in Kisi County. Chairman, our response to address the issue of pending bills, Kisi County government formed first bills committee through a gazette notice number 14-024, dated 11 November 2022, to review outstanding obligations for the year 2021 and 2022. The committee verified and found 241,142 Kenya shillings, or million Kenya shillings, as eligible bills, and cleared 1.071,435,683 million ineligible due to non-compliance and lack of supporting documentation. The eligible bills of 201,443,172 million has since been